So the weight or electrochemical corrosion. So here this kind of corrosion takes place in the presence of moisture. That's why it is called as the wet corrosion. And why it is called as electrochemical corrosion? Because the same metal experiencing the different electrode potential, and because of that one act as an anode and another act as a cathode, and that's why that name given to that corrosion is a electrochemical corrosion. Now how the one portion act as an anode and another portion act as a cathode, let's discuss. So first of all, it is of two types. One is a galvanic corrosion and another it is a concentration cell corrosion. As in the classification we already discussed, the galvanic corrosion means the two different metal having the same atmospheric condition. So what the galvanic corrosion? Here we are having the two different metal, and that two different metal are in direct contact with each other. When we compare any two different metals, then one having high oxidation potential and one having low oxidation potential. So definitely the metal which having high oxidation potential, it is more active metal, and that more active metal it always acts as anode. And definitely another metal it is having less oxidation potential, that's why it is less active, and the less active metal it is always act as a cathode. Means in galvanic corrosion one portion act as a anode and one portion act as a cathode. So as you already know, that is high oxidation potential metal, it is more active, metal it acts as an anode. Anode undergoes the process of oxidation and hence decomposed. It's a very basic knowledge behind the galvanic corrosion. Very simple. When we compare one metal with another, one metal having the high oxidation potential, that's why that metal having the high oxidation potential, it is more active metal. That more active metal act always as an anode. Anode always undergoes the process of oxidation, and the metallic part which undergoes the process of oxidation, it get decomposed. Okay. What about the remaining part? Exactly opposite that. The less oxidation portion potential metal, it's a less active. Less active metal act as a cathode. Cathode undergoes the process of reduction, and the material which undergoes the process of reduction, it is always remain protected. This is about the galvanic corrosion. Second, it is a concentration cell corrosion. So what the concentration cell corrosion? Here the single metal having the different atmospheric situation. Means here the concentration of atmosphere is different, and that's why it is called as the concentration cell corrosion. As we already discussed during the classification, that when the electric port it is buried in a soil, some portion which is below the or which is inside the earth, it is less oxygenated, and the some portion which is above the earth level, it is a more oxygenated. Yes, the less oxygenated part of metal, it is more active. More active, it acts as a anode. Anode undergoes oxidation, and the portion which undergoes the oxidation is decomposed. While the